Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Sidekick Search. Today we'll be talking about how to use the MAX7219 Dot Matrix module with the Arduino Mega 2560 board. You're going to need one MAX7219 Dot Matrix module, 5 male to female DuPont wires, and one Arduino Mega 2560 board. Open your Arduino IDE and open up the library manager using the shortcut Control-Shift-I. Once your library manager is opened, search for MD_Max72XX. Once you've entered in, you'll find that first up there's a library that says MD_Max72XX. Install this library and the one that says MD Parola. These are the two libraries you need to work on this project. Once you've installed those libraries, close the library manager and open up your Arduino folder in File Explorer. Then open up the libraries folder and find the library that says MD_Max72XX. Open up this folder and find the SRC folder. Find the folder that says MD_Max72XX.h and open it up in a text editor. If you see use local font 0 on line 257, replace it with 1. Then save it. Once it's been saved, go back to your Arduino IDE and click on File, Examples, and find the point that says MD Parola, then find Parola Scrolling. Once you found Parola Scrolling, find the point that defines the hardware type as Parola HW. Replace Parola HW in this line with FC16_HW. Since this code was written for a different Arduino board, you have to change the hardware and the pins, which will have to correspond to this Mega 2560 Arduino board. You have to replace the clock pin with 52, data pin with 51, and CS pin with 53. Now that most of your code is ready, you have to connect your dot matrix with your Arduino Mega 2560 board. Take the VCC pin and attach it to the 5-volt pin. Then take the ground, attach it to the ground pin on the digital section of your Arduino board. Then you have to take your data pin, which is denoted as DIN, and connect it to 51. Your CS pin should be connected to 53. And your clock pin, which is denoted as CLK, should be connected to 52. Once these pins are in place, you can scroll down to the section that says "Hello, enter new message" in quotations. You can replace this with any message you want, with the character limit of 74 characters. Any more than that, and it'll show some weird symbols. Then you can also change the scroll speed. The scroll speed is simply the delay between every single frame. In fact, the greater your scroll speed is, the slower your text is going to scroll. Then the scroll pause shows the amount of time that the text will pause at the end of getting fully scrolled across. This pause is written in milliseconds. The preset default, which is 2000, is about 2 seconds of pause. After you've set up your customized speed and scroll pause and a customized text, you have your code ready for use. Simply verify and upload the code. As you can see, the status bar shows you how much has been compiled. Once the sketch has been completely compiled, click the upload button. It'll begin to process. With a blinking of a light on the Arduino board. Now there you have it. Your message is ready for use. Just remember that with your text, it comes with a character limit of 74 characters. This is how you do the scrolling text project on the MAX7219 Dot Matrix module with the Arduino Mega 2560 board. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments. Bye everyone, thanks for watching!